Hey YouTube, this is Charlie and this is Janelle, my daughter. She's excited. She's more excited than I am. Even my son is excited and he don't get excited about nothing. Why? This is the
Price Select Mini 3D Printer version 2.
Version 2. Selling right now is around $230. I seen it right now for $218 on Amazon, and it has one of the best reviews for 3D printing. So guys, what comes in the box? So you have the 3D, so they sent some 3D filament to test it, I guess. Really thin. It looked like weed eater cord and stuff on there. It comes with an SD card and a hex wrench in a little plastic right here. In here you have your power supply. Open the baby up. There's a little box in here. We're gonna open this up. Oh, okay. Yeah, I was worried that it didn't have the both pieces for this. So this goes with power supply in here. You have your scraper to scrape up your whatever you print. You have a USB cable, and I think that will be used to update stuff or to get stuff onto it. You have your filament spool holder on there. Here she is. In your glory.
Hey Daddy, what's the glass that goes around here?
So here's the filament holder that goes on the side here.
Yay, we're putting it together.
There we go.
So it can go up and down, up and down. This one's taped together. Can I take this off?
Yeah, we'll take off. So there's some tape, packing tape to make sure things wasn't moving around. So we're gonna remove that, if anything below that. So we're gonna take the power supply and we're gonna plug it in.
Looks so cool.
Rotate the wheel to the home axis.
Home axis.
Press the center wheel to activate the home function.
Oh my god. That looks so cool.
The printer will move the extruder to the home position. So that's the home position right there. It's going down. Oh, cool.
It went this way. And now what we do?
Turn the printer off.
What?
Hold on. Let it do what it do.
It's moving.
Don't touch anything, Gina.
Now what do we do?
Now we're gonna turn the power switch off. So you wanna slide it underneath here to make sure it goes. Oh, that's pretty good. Like there's a little tension there. So you slide it in there. So we have a micro USB card that came with the package. So we're gonna push it in. Take your finger and it clicks in there. So that's good.
Yes, very good.
Turn the printer on by pressing the button.
On button. So on. And
so we click extruder, and when we went into the temperature, we set the temperature at 200.
Yeah, so you can move it back and forth, and it goes by fives. Like 5 times.
While the printer is preheating, open your filament. What color do you want to use?
Ooh, I want to do a phone case.
So we did go ahead and buy some different colors on Amazon. I'll leave the price and description down below for you guys. So you're gonna push it through. Go right there we go. And push it in until you feel it. See it go all the way down. Until you feel it can't go no more.
Yeah,
and then you release it.
Wow, it's actually working. Yay!
So we're gonna use the extruder wheel to test to make sure it's coming out. So we can see it coming out. There we go. Okay, so that works. Okay, that works.
You have to go to exit. And then you go to print.
Oh.
Luckily, I know more than you do.
No, you have to choose something on there.
What?
Leave it alone.
Look at that. Something came out. What is it making? What's it printing, Dad?
I'm gonna print a cat.
A cat?
Yeah, you should take all that.
Dad, I think it's supposed to. No, it's supposed to be there. I know it's not.
There we go.
Yay! Daddy, come look at this.
This is our first print.